The windshield wipers are located on the right side of the steering wheel and are controlled by moving the stalk up or down. They'll only operate when the ignition is on. A quick push up on the stalk activates the mist function and wipes the windshield clear. To use the variable intermittent wipers, move the stalk down to the first position and adjust the interval setting by rotating up for more frequent wipes or down for fewer wipes. Push the stalk further down for continuous low-speed wiping and all the way down for high-speed wiping. To wash the windshield, pull the stalk towards you